Dear formulators, today I bring you a glucidic emulsion with ivermectin for the treatment of rosacea, the medical prescription. The formulation can be ivermectin 1% glucidic emulsion, enough quantity for 50 grams. Ivermectin is an active ingredient with parasiticidal action against Demodex folliculorum, a parasite that can be found in rosacea. It also has anti-inflammatory action, which will be very useful for controlling rosacea flare-ups. Regarding the glucidic emulsion, it should be noted that it is always ideal for irritable and sensitive skin, as in the case of rosacea. It is not greasy. It doesn't have that greasy feeling that liquid petroleum jelly can give you. It has high tolerance in this type of skin with rosacea and has excellent cosmetic appearance. How is ivermectin incorporated into this emulsion? Well, we place the ivermectin in a mortar, reduce it to a fine powder, and add 1% glycerin or propylene glycol, stirring until a homogeneous paste is formed. Then we add the glucidic emulsion in small portions, stirring until homogeneous. Our formulation would now be ready. If you want to receive updates on my master formulas, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video.